Hello and welcome to the Traction February 2021 release. The first feature I would like to talk about in this release is the new account and subheading view. So for this, I'll use our harvested flax as an example. Go to Details and Edit. And here you will see the new view that is a more robust display and layout of how you can get to the subheadings, the various accounts that are associated throughout your chart of accounts, and add them seamlessly here. The next area that I'd like to talk about is in our transaction details. So you can now add contacts in line. So if I type Amy Nice here, they're not listed, but I can click Add, and we can add them with no details. We can add details, or we can use without creating a contact in our system. So let me just go back and add a payment again. And then the other capability that we added is distribution of the amounts. So that should make transactions easier to enter. Same thing with our accounts as with our contacts. If the account doesn't exist, you can click New, and it will prompt you to create a new account. And so when I change the amount here, you'll notice at the bottom it says uncategorized 500. When I add a new line, it puts the remaining amount there. When I add an account and change that value, again, it puts the uncategorized in the next amount. And so this should make it fairly straightforward and quick to enter in those transaction details. And then we've also updated some of our reports. And so I'll use this balance sheet report here. And so we added the capability to export to CSV. We also updated some of the layout items when you print. And then we also added the capability where you can drill into a particular account by clicking on the value, and then it'll show you the transaction details that make up that particular amount. And finally here, we have field ops, and so now you can add a grower, farm, and field to your account. So I'll just add a grower, save, and then we'll add a farm, same thing. I will say, if you enter in your address information when you create a field, it will jump you to that particular area. Since I left mine blank, it goes to default in the United States. So I'll zoom in here and then select a field. I'll use the drawing tool. If you have a shapefile, you can upload a shapefile as well. Let me give it the field a name. And then now we have our grower, farm, and field. And so if you would like to add the crop zones for a particular year, just click the three dots next to the grower, manage crop years, and then now you can choose your crops. So I'll select corn. You can change the name of the crop zone if you like. I'm going to keep it as this. And then now that's saved. Now, if finally you have all your shapefiles that include your grower, farm, and fields, you can use our bulk upload tool. You just take the zip file of your shapefiles, map the attributes, and then review that before adding it to your system. As always, if you would like help, our customer success team at Traction is here to serve you. Please feel free to get a hold of us via tractionag.com. We also have extensive knowledge base articles that cover all of these new features in depth. And as always, if you'd like to learn more, please visit us at tractionag.com. And we thank you for watching an overview of our February 2021 release. Take care.